What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about JustPlay. And with JustPlay, I uninstalled the app. I was having a little bit of trouble after I uninstalled the app, but we finally got the app working. So I uninstalled it and then I reinstalled it, and so pretty much it erased all of the data from the app and everything, which is a total fresh new start. And I wanted to try something new, so we're trying something new. And so when I mean something new, I mean I am completely going back to the app and retrying it fresh from the start, just like anybody else would. So I installed the app, I reinstalled it, and I started playing it again. So I knew I had to test to see if it would pay out higher or if it would still pay out lower. To sum it all up, I tried the app once again for 3 hours, and so I played 3 different games. I played Treasure Master, and played Ball Bounce, and I played the Wood Puzzle game. And so with these games, every time an ad popped up, I watched every single ad. So for this whole entire video that you're watching right now, I watched ads for every 3 hours until the payout. So every time an ad popped up, I watched it. And I didn't skip the video either. I completely watched the ad from start to finish, and once the ad was done, I continued playing until another ad popped up, and I would do the same over and over again until the 3-hour time limit was up on JustPlay. And I want to share with you how much I made within the first 3 hours of watching nothing but ads on JustPlay. And the reason why I'm trying this is because a lot of people in the comment section of all the other videos, they are saying that you should watch the ads. So in this video, we are testing that. We're testing that to make it a part of this JustPlay series on pretty much researching the app and just seeing how the app works, seeing how the app pays out money to people. We're just all together trying to see how JustPlay really works. So that's what these videos are for. So as you can see, for the last 3 hours, I watched every single ad that was possible to watch. I didn't skip any ads, and I got 361,000 something coins, and it paid out $1.38. So I guess it is true that if you watch every single ad while playing the games, that you get a higher payout. Plus I also played Ball Bounce, and I watched some of the videos down here at the bottom, so I guess it is true. So after playing Ball Bounce, Treasure Master, and the Wood Puzzle, I only made $1.38 in the first 3 hours of watching nothing but ads on JustPlay. That's a pretty good high amount for the first payment, but as you know, most of the cash out amounts, including PayPal, has to be over $2. So with the high payout being the first payout, after uninstalling the app and reinstalling it, I went ahead and played for another 3 hours for a total of 6 hours, like I said earlier within this video. And so the first 3 hours of watching nothing but ads, I only played 3 games and watched all their ads every time they popped up within the game. I also when I took a short little break, I would watch the ads on JustPlay at the very bottom of the app when I took a little break from playing the game. But once I went back, I continued watching the ads within the games. So the last 3 hours of watching nothing but ads on JustPlay, I played pretty much almost all the games actually. I went through and downloaded the car merge game. I have Treasure Master. I pretty much played every single game down the list that it would show. And I played each one for quite a bit of time within that last 3 hour period. And I watched every single ad that popped up on every single game that I played. And of course, when I took a break, I watched the little videos on JustPlay at the very bottom of the app. And then I picked up the games again and continued playing and watching those ads. So finally, once the time was winding down for the last 3 hour period, I went back to Treasure Master and just grinded it out on Treasure Master and watched the ads on Treasure Master as they popped up. I seen that the time was coming close to the CashOut, and I took a snapshot of every single thing that I needed to show you guys. So it'll be put up on the screen so that you guys can see it. The first 3 hours of watching nothing but ads, I earned like 360,000 coins or something like that. And then the last 3 hours of playing or watching nothing but ads on JustPlay and their games, I got a little bit more, over like 400,000. And so the last 3 hours, I only made only a little bit more, because at the end, $1.98. So in the first 3 hours of watching nothing but ads, I earned $1.38. In the last 3 hours of watching nothing but ads, I earned 60 cents. So at the very end of 6 total hours, I earned $1.98, which is not even enough to use PayPal as a cash out. It's not even enough to use the Amazon cash out option. So in 6 total hours, I earned $1.98, which is not enough for anything. And so you sit there and ask yourself, is this really worth it? Should I just really uninstall the app and reinstall it just to make $1 or something or so? I don't know. We're gonna have to sit here and ask ourselves if it's actually worth it, because we spend so much time on JustPlay and we only make so much, and we sit here and we watch so many ads. That's kind of why I wanted to sit here and do this video for everybody, to show everybody that even when you do watch the ads, you're still spending so much time doing this and you're not making a whole lot of money. So you might make more playing the ads, but as you can see in the last 3 hours, I did the same thing I did within the first 3 hours, but I made less money. And so in the last 3 hours, I actually played all of the games. I played a lot more variety of games than I did within the first 3 hours, and I still made less money. I also watched every single ad like I did the first time around, but I still made less money. So with that being said, it probably doesn't fully matter if you watch all the ads like that. They probably pay out quite a bit more money if you were a first time user. So when you uninstall the app and reinstall the app, and you start playing again, it makes it look like you are a new user. So they're going to pay out over $1 something your first time. And they're going to make you want to play more and more each time. They're going to want you to watch ads. They're going to want you to download more games and play more games and all of these type of things. That is their whole goal. That is their whole business goal, to keep revenue flowing for their business. And that's pretty much how they make their money. They bring in new people through ads. People see an ad or something, like an ad on YouTube, a JustPlay ad, and they say, hey, look at that, that's cool, I might check this out. My whole intention of my videos is to tell people actually about these apps and how they work, so that you can see this and then see that before you can actually, test it out. So, like, I want you to form somewhat of an opinion of if you want to use an app or not. And that's basically why I make these videos, these app reviews and these review videos. Hopefully everybody enjoyed this other JustPlay video. This video is actually going to be put in with all the other JustPlay videos within the JustPlay series on the JustPlay playlist. So you can find all the JustPlay videos now all together in one playlist, and you guys can watch them whenever you want. As well as, I took the initiative to upload all of the JustPlay videos to Rumble. So now all the JustPlay videos are going to be on Rumble, as well as all of my other new videos are going to be on Rumble as well. So in the description, you can find my Rumble, and you can go and watch on Rumble. It just gives you a secondary option of a place to watch videos. If you want to try something new, you can try out Rumble, and my videos are on Rumble as well. So I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for everything that you do. Thanks for the comments, the recommendations of other apps I should make videos on. I try to read and react to all of my comments, so I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for liking my videos, subscribing to my channel, and just leaving those comments. It's really appreciated. So, see you guys in the next new earning video. So, peace.